Today, let's make a sink spray that works so well, all you have to do after using it is simply wipe it off. The items you're going to need is a spray bottle, water, white vinegar, and a black magic marker. First, take your spray bottle and write "Wipe away sink spray" on the outside. Then you're going to take 2 cups of water and put it inside your bottle and 2 cups of white vinegar. Place the top back on your bottle and then mix it thoroughly. To use the Wipe Away Sink Spray, simply make sure that your sink is free from all food particles. Spray the sink with the spray, including your faucet. Let it sit for 2 minutes and then just wipe it away. This cleaner not only helps to keep your kitchen fresh, but it also gets rid of germs too. So, win-win. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with all your friends, and give me a thumbs up. I will see you tomorrow.